Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel where you get a little of everything Jamaican. My name is Michelle, and thank you as usual for your continued support. Now, today we are here back at Mr. Lincoln McLean, and it marks a very special occasion today because we have a few police officers who are here would have seen the video, heard his plight, and have reached out. So I'm just gonna hand over the floor to them, and so they can introduce themselves, and they can, then you'll know what happens as we go along. All right?
Hi, everybody. Good morning. Morning. It's good to be with Mr. McLean. I am here. My name is Albert Linton, and I'm an Assistant Superintendent of Police. And with me is Chaplain Reed.
Detective Corporal, West Foreign Division.
All right, so we're here simply just to make a cash presentation to Mr. McLean. And just to give you a little of why we are here. You would have heard of Mr. McLean's plight through
A Likkle of Everyting
Jamaica's program. And as a batch of 91, that's batch 91, where some of us as colleagues from the ISCF decided that we're coming together and to put a group just to find out, where are our colleagues, our squad mates, our batch mate coming together and to see how best we can lime and, do some things together. We heard of Mr. McLean's plight. And so we said we want to make this a project. And so today, the guys from overseas, those who have retired, those who are still serving, those who are on leave, everybody decided, let's put a little thing together, no matter how small it is, so that we can make Mr. McLean's life a little bit more comfortable. And so today, we are here with a cash contribution that we want to give to Mr. McLean. I don't like to do counting, but for the purpose of accountability, I would want to do the counting. I'm going to hand this to Mr. McLean and just ask for him to do the count. And so the guys will see what is happening here and that, your deed, your cash is being properly accounted for. And we do this out of the heart. Mr. McLean is a colleague then and is not serving now, but we realize that there's a need to help. Yes. So it's not even that we know him, but the need to help comes upon us. And so we are just working with the process of giving him this. So Mr. McLean, on behalf of batch 91, all past retired members of the ICF, those are now serving within the Jamaica Constabulary Force, we want to make you this cash presentation, and we trust that it will help you a little way.
Thank you very much.
We're going to ask that you just do a count for the purpose of, those who are hoping to make sure that we did what was right.
It's all right. Yeah. Okay. Wow. Wonderful.
Thank you. Batch 91, I thank you very much and I appreciate what you have done for me. Have a nice day.
All right, guys. So here you have it. We have done the presentation. And then on behalf of Mr. McLean, I just want to say thanks to all of you. The spirit of giving is still in us. We can't do anything less. I believe we are servant at full heart. And I'm going to say to us, we continue to do these things because there are those who really have need. And as best as we can help, let's help them. When I visit here and to see exactly, meet with Mr. McLean face to face, I recognize that there is a need. So I will further ask if there's anything we can do down the road again for Mr. McLean or anyone else. Let's just do what we can do to help. There are so much persons who really would take a little from some of us. Not that we are rich, but the Lord help us. Let us try to help those who really have a need. Bless you all. Take care. We'll keep the spirit of giving as God wanted us to do. Thanks much.
Thank you so much. Thank you. And on behalf of Likkle Everyting Jamaican, I want to extend the gratitude to you as well. You would have traveled so far, all the way from Spanish Town. You from Westmoreland, sir. And we are most appreciative that you would have seen his need and you would have reached out. All right. So we say thank you. All right, so on behalf of everyone here, we want to say thank you to all our viewers and our subscribers. Thank you so much for tuning in. And until we see you next time, this is where we end the video for today. God bless and take care.
Man, Lincoln McLean, a.k.a. Duck. I'm a grow him. In fact, I'm his elder. But we are neighbors. And I wasn't around for a lot of years. And my sisters told me that Duck was always beside my mother. And you look at my mother want a duck in call. And my sister tell me, say, you see, Mike, because my mother died and gone. I say, Mike, because I came back here and live at my mother's house now. We are neighbors. They say, the thing Duck want, deal with him. And anytime, as of that, if me are doing anything, and Duck call me on my phone, me drop it and come
Wonderful.
to my sisters.
Yes.
In fact, to me know, say him not so physically up. We come and do physical work in our house.
Okay.
Cleaning, kitchen, in the bathroom,
Yes.
fridge. And we go ask my mom to feed him. And they could errand,
You run it for
run
him.
it for him, man.
God bless
And,
you.
and we just 1 minute away.
Yeah.
The only time we couldn't come is if me engage elsewhere in something, and I said, we can't come. No.
Yes.
In another hour or so, I'll be there.
Okay.
And then all is there.
Yes.
I'm a friend, man.
All right.
All right. Friend, man.
Wonderful.
Yes. Man.
Okay. God bless you.
Lincoln McLean, a.k.a. Duck.
So what is your name?
Michael O'Neill, Howie.
Okay, Michael O'Neill Powell. God bless you, sir. All right.
Hi.
Yes, sir.
Alright, so basically that's it.
Yes,
So we're
yes.
around down the hill again.
All right. Okay. Safe
All right,
travel
sir.
I
and
was trying to get him, but I
It's alright. You can get him later and tell him, say, you